If you saw this thumbnail before clicking on this video, then probably everything is working fine. Or if you saw this one, then also things are going good. Just the guy who commented 10 minutes ago was probably a robot. But if you saw this thumbnail before clicking on this video, then we need a comment really fast because my program feeds on comments. So let me explain what's going on. A few days ago, I watched a video by Tom Scott in which he shows how he used YouTube API to update his title in real time to match with his view count on the video. So if you haven't checked out this video, links in the description. So that seemed pretty easy to me. Use YouTube API, fetch the views in real time, update the title in real time, and that's it. So I thought, can we do better? And yes, obviously we can do better. So in this video, I have taken it to one level up. Let me explain what happens to the thumbnail of this video. Whenever someone comments on this video, I take that comment using YouTube API, I run sentiment analysis on it, then I extract emotions from it, I create a pixelated image out of it, then I take the profile picture and the name of the person who commented, I put all those things in the image, and then I show that image to you. Now, if there are no emotions detected in the comment, then probably the person who commented is the robot. So I show them this image with their photo and their name to the whole world in YouTube. But if we are running out of comments, I show you this thumbnail because my program feeds on comment and we need a comment really fast. Okay, now I'll walk you through the process. So come to my video, go down below and type whatever comment you want. Like I am typing this. Then once you are done, you can again search back for the video and then you will see the thumbnail updated. Now I'm showing you my YouTube studio page because I haven't uploaded this video yet, but in your case you will see the thumbnail changed. So it generated this image for me, but it will be different for yours because it uses Patni's wheel of emotion, this chart right here, to generate images. So if you want an explanation of how all this works, don't worry, I won't be showing you code because in my past videos, whenever I have shown you code, my audience retention just drops. So if you want to understand how it all works, then you can go to my Medium post, links in the description. This is what the post looks like and the whole explanation, everything is there. And you can also find the code in my GitHub repository and you're free to use it. Use how much ever you want, whatever you want to do, just do with it. So the thumbnail of this video won't be updated forever because the code on my laptop can't run forever. Now I'm thinking of putting it in an Amazon server, but that costs money and I'm not sure I'll be able to do it. I'm planning to do it and probably I will do it, but as of this moment it's not running on a server. So do it fast, put comments very fast and ask your friends to put comment and see what image looks like. You can take the image and do whatever you want to do with it. If you don't know how to download thumbnails, then I'll put a link in the description which allows you to download thumbnails and you can just have that image with you with your profile and name in it if that's what you want.